Introducing the new Beats Studio Buds Plus. Our packaging is made from 95% sustainable sources. Inside the box, you'll find the Studio Buds Plus, 4 different ear tip sizes, and a charging cable. If you need extra help setting up the product, scan the QR code for the complete product guide. To pair, simply open the case with the buds still in, and your iPhone or Android automatically connects with a single tap. We've now included a pair of extra small ear tips. They're all made from soft silicone, which makes them comfortable for all-day use and ensures a perfect acoustic seal. The buds are light, compact, and fit right in your ear. Take the time to choose the ear tip size that fits you best. This will ensure all-day comfort with optimal sound. The new design improves sound as well as ANC performance and gives you overall comfort for all-day use. The charging case is sleek and pocketable, allowing you to take your buds wherever you go. They have up to 36 hours of battery life, and if you're ever low on battery, a 5-minute charge will give you an extra hour of use. Now that you're ready to go, you can enjoy native features on your device such as one-touch pairing and Find My. Studio Buds Plus are all about versatility, comfort, and quality.